Let me show you what to do if your camera pen is not properly recording, or also it's maybe like blinking and suggesting that something is off with the camera and it's simply like not properly working. So the most common issue actually with these pens is something to do with the memory cards. Essentially, either they're actually not formatted properly or they're simply not inserted properly inside this camera. So you see, once you actually open it up, as you see, you have basically the port for to charge basically this camera pen. Obviously make sure it's fully charged before you actually use it. And to insert your memory card, so you see I have the charger port on the top here, and I'm going to position my memory card like this, so with those metal like contacts basically like this, and I'm going to simply insert it and simply wiggle it inside. It actually has to go in like fairly far essentially. So if basically it doesn't actually goes that far, simply observe if something basically off with this basically the memory card slot. Again, these camera pens are actually very cheaply made essentially. And also what I have seen was something that happens also for other people. Actually a lot of people even like insert the card actually too far like inside. So what you have to do is you simply like wiggle it out, maybe like as you see, basically this kind of distance, maybe like 2 millimeters essentially. I have seen also for a lot of people this helps. So again, so if you insert it basically all the way in and it doesn't go any further and it's still not working, like pull it out a bit, like maybe this kind of distance, and then simply try again to power it on. Also, I know a lot of these cameras even struggle if you insert a card that's actually too large for them. So, for example, this pen actually came with this card, so I know it's actually okay, suitable for this. But again, if you purchase basically the bare version without the memory card, if you are inserting maybe some kind of like 64GB card or 128GB card or even larger, some of these pens simply like can't work properly with those larger memory cards. So again, there is basically a limit. So these newer releases mostly probably will work with even 64GB, but again, so if your pen is maybe like a few years old and you try basically like modern high-end card, this pen simply wouldn't even understand what to do with that card. And finally, also you can simply try to format your memory card as well. So simply maybe get one of these readers that you can use to connect to a PC and simply format basically the memory card as a fresh card. Essentially, that also I have heard also works actually for these pens. Anyway, I hope some of this works. But again, the most common issue again with these pens, why they're actually not recording, is something to do with the memory card. Yeah, good luck.